Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So if you are facing such error like while typing in MS Word and your cursor is disappeared, so we will fix this issue today. So let's start. So firstly you have to just go to the search bar and type main.cpl, and you have to just click on the control panel, and at here you have to just go to the pointer option tab. As you can see, the third one is pointer option. So in pointer option you have to just go to the visibility, and in visibility you have to just uncheck this option, hide pointer while typing. So you have to just select this option, hide pointer while typing, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. So if it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just move to the second step, which is again you have to just go to the main.cpl, and then you have to just go to the pointer option, the second one, the pointers. So at here you have to just select this option at here like text select. As you have to just scroll down and find out the text select option. As you can see here it is, the text select. So you have to just select it, and then you have to just click on the browse, and in here you have to just find out the ibeam r. So you have to just again scroll down and then find out ibeam r. Here it is. So you have to just select this, and then you have to just click on open, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. So your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.